2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is not your average RV. It's a luxury apartment on wheels, built on the bones of an American trucking legend. Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where today we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping motorhomes you'll ever see. At first glance, the W900's iconic long-nosed design and massive chrome grille scream classic Kenworth. But the real surprise hits when you walk around the back, because that's where the motorhome magic begins. It's been transformed into a full-blown luxury suite, blending rugged performance with the comfort of a high-end home. Under the hood, we're talking serious power. The W900 comes equipped with a beastly Packer engine, capable of hauling the massive living quarters with ease. It's built to handle long distances, steep climbs, and everything in between. And don't forget, it's still a Kenworth, so reliability and road dominance come standard. Step inside, and you'll see what makes this machine worth every penny. The interior is nothing short of stunning. Think plush leather seating, hardwood floors, granite countertops, and even a fireplace in some custom builds. It's got a full kitchen, a luxury bathroom with a shower, a king-sized bed, and enough space to rival small apartments. Every inch is crafted with premium materials, making it feel more like a high-end condo than an RV. But it's not just about comfort, it's also packed with tech. Smart controls, solar power systems, climate control, high-speed internet, and entertainment systems are all integrated to make life on the road as smooth as possible. Owners of the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome rave about its unmatched road presence, the smooth ride, and the freedom it provides. Whether you're a cross-country traveler, a motorsport enthusiast, or someone who just wants to live large off the grid, this rig checks all the boxes. Of course, all this luxury doesn't come cheap. Depending on the customization, prices can soar well above $500,000. But for those who can afford it, the W900 Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. So, what do you think of this beastly blend of truck and luxury home? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know if you'd take this monster on a road trip. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more epic vehicle reviews. See you in the next one.